In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk for customer support. We'll start right in the agent workspace and create a brand new ticket so you can see the complete flow from setup to submission. First, open the workspace and click the Add button. From the options that appear, choose Ticket. This opens a blank ticket form where you'll enter the customer's details and define how the issue should be handled. Begin by setting the requester. This is the customer who needs help. Start typing their name to search your existing contacts. If you don't see a match, click Add User to create a new contact. Enter the customer's full name, so it's easy to recognize later, then type their email address carefully. Accuracy matters here because Zendesk will use this email for notifications and replies. When you're done, click Add to save the new user and make sure they now appear as the requester on the ticket. Next, assign the ticket. In the Assignee field, choose the right group or agent, or assign it to yourself if you'll be handling it. Clear ownership ensures nothing falls through the cracks and routing rules can work properly. Add tags to make the ticket easy to find and report on. Use your team's approved tag naming conventions. Short, consistent tags help with automation and analytics. Avoid adding too many. Choose the ones that truly describe the request. Now set the ticket type. Pick question when the customer needs information, incident for a user-specific break or outage, problem for a broader underlying issue affecting multiple incidents, and task for a to-do that requires action steps. Choosing the correct type helps with reporting and escalations. Select a priority that reflects urgency and impact. Low and normal are for routine inquiries. High is for time-sensitive issues, and urgent is reserved for situations with critical impact. Setting this thoughtfully aligns the ticket with your SLAs and team workflows. Add a concise descriptive subject. Aim for something the customer and your teammates will understand at a glance, like unable to reset password on mobile app. In the main editor, write your public reply. Be clear, empathetic, and actionable. A good first response acknowledges the issue, summarizes what you understand, requests any missing details, and outlines next steps. Keep the tone professional and helpful and avoid internal jargon that might confuse the customer. When everything looks good, click Submit as New. This creates the ticket, notifies the requester, and places it into your queue with the correct fields, tags, and ownership. That's it. Your Zendesk ticket is live and ready to be worked.